Making soup from scratch is easy, it's healthy, it's delicious. Once you see this video, you will never buy canned soup again. So let's get cooking. Today we're dealing with these three vegetables. And these three vegetables is called a mirepoix. And it's basically onion, carrot, and celery. And this is going to give a very special flavor to this soup. All we have to do is peel the carrot, onions peeled already, and we're going to dice it up, and then we're going to add it to the soup. I'm going to throw in about a tablespoon of olive oil. And then I'm going to saute this mirepoix to give it that cooked vegetable flavor. And we're going to saute it. We're going to saute it for about 5 minutes. We're sauteing this because I don't want the raw vegetable flavor in the soup. I want that cooked vegetable flavor. I want sauteed vegetable flavor. And there's a big difference between sauteed vegetable flavor and raw vegetable flavor. So I saute it just 5 minutes just to get that flavor. If you want to know if the flavor is good, waft it. You go over the pot and you go, ooh, that smells like sauteed vegetables, and then you know the soup's going to be good. Don't let it brown. That's a whole different flavor when you let it brown, so don't let it brown. So these vegetables are done. They have that cooked flavor, and they're not brown. Beautiful. Next thing you want to do is you want to add some garlic. 2 cloves of chopped garlic. Ooh, that smells terrific. Then 6 cups of vegetable broth. And I'm going to use a tablespoon of tomato paste. I use a tomato paste from a tube. I like this better. I think it's better quality. So I'm going to use 1 tablespoon. The vegetables are very rich, and the tomato paste gives it a little acidity. It's very good. You always hear on the cooking shows, you need a touch of acid. That tomato is going to give it just a touch of acid. And to flavor this, I'm going to use 2 bay leaves. And this is Italian seasoning. I have a teaspoon of Italian seasoning. If you want to use oregano, that's fine. You want to use basil, that's fine. Whatever you want to use is fine. I like Italian seasoning. It's got a little bit of everything in it, so that's very good. Hey, traditional lentil soups have a ham hock in it or a smoked sausage, something smoky to give it a little bit of character. I'm not putting that in because I don't want any meat in here. This is a vegan soup. Okay, so no meat. I want that smokiness. I want that flavor. What am I going to do? I have here some liquid smoke. I'm going to add just a touch of this. It's a little bit, a couple of drops. That's it. And that's going to give me that smoky flavor I like in this soup. The only thing left to add, of course, is the lentils. 1 cup of lentils. I give it a good stir. And that's it. I don't think that was too difficult. I'm putting this on low fire. I'm going to let it sit and simmer 1 hour. I'll see you in 1 hour. Hey, it's been an hour. Check out this soup. Woo! That's good. That smells delicious. Wow, that's nice. The first thing you have to do is go fishing for the bay leaf. The bay leaves have to come out. You can't eat these. They have to come out. 1, 2. Make sure you know how many you put in. That's how many you have to take out. I took out about 1 cup of soup. I cooled it slightly. And I'm going to put it in this little blender. And I'm going to puree it. And that's going to actually thicken the soup. And here we go. Now that's a nice soup. Hey, this soup is delicious. You think this is good? You gotta check out my onion soup. Absolutely fantastic. I'll see you there.